effect niya sa ICI? Will it dissolve it?
Yes,
Okay.
but there will be transition. Yung personnel will be absorbed. The documents will be turned over and will form part of the official documents of the IBC. While we do not, we will not withhold or we will not restrict the power of the president or prevent him from making his own appointments. Of course, what we'd like to see is a smooth transition and yung existing ICI ay maisama as members and of the 5-member People's Council.
So retain din naman sir yung tatlong commissioners?
No, we cannot do that because nga the power of appointment is with the president. So this is an entirely new body, although may transition from the ICI to the IBC.
How many commissioners? 5?
5. Okay? Well, yung dagdag na kapangyarihan ng magiging Independent People's Commission, yung power to subpoena, power to fight in contempt, ang mga magiging sagabal sa proceedings sa mga nagsisinungaling, kaya ay hindi sumasagot ng powers. So the power to cite them in contempt, the power to freeze mga assets, the power to look into bank records, of course, itong mga dokumento ng iba't ibang ahensya ng pamahalaan, mga kontrata, etc. We're also looking at the power to do search and seizure, but subject to certain restrictions or a process. So maraming dagdag na kapangyarihan ng nais natin ibigay sa IBC. And then we're looking at a 3-year life. And then bibigyan sila ng pool of lawyers, prosecutors ng ombudsman at ng DOJ para masuportahan at mapabilis yung proseso. Hindi lang siya fact-finding, meron din siyang power to file charges in coordination, direct coordination with the DOJ and the ombudsman.
And you would sponsor the bill tomorrow, sir?
Yun yung plano. Matapos yung committee report tonight, paikutin natin for the signatures of our members of the committee, and then we sponsor it before yung budget GAA sponsorship.
Pero sir, magkakaroon pa ba ng time para mapasurin niya? Kasi may budget.
Yeah, ang budget matatapos ideally ang budget plenary debates before the end of the month. So we still have another 2 weeks or more before we go on recess for the end of the year. So sana we're able to utilize those remaining 2 weeks of sessions. Pag na-certify ng urgent ng presidente, mas lalo natin mapapabilis yung pagpasal.
And sir, may budget na para dito sa 2026 budget? Or will you request kayo?
Well, we are waiting for the submission ng DBM but dapat mapondohan ito agad-agad.
Sir, kuha lang ng comment dun sa effects ng bagyong kuha na rin para mabilis sa government.
Well, lalo na sa agrikultura, malaki ang naging pinsala dahil anihan na sa maraming lugar sa Nueva Ecija, sa Isabela, Pampanga, Tarlac. So, panawagan natin mabilis na kumilos ang ating Department of Agriculture para sa disaster relief. Dagdag na suporta para makapagpunla muli ang ating mga magsasaka. At yung assistance mismo, direct assistance, pati yung damage, yung crop insurance ay mapabilis para makapagtanim ulit ang ating mga magsasaka. So yun siguro, at syempre yung sa ngayon, ang ating tanggapan ay direktang nakikipag-ugnayan sa mga local officials at pati na rin sa Department of Social Welfare and Development. Kausap natin kahapon si Secretary Rex Gatchalian, kausap din natin Armed Forces Chief of Staff, si General Ronald, para doon sa Army Engineers Corps para sa clearing. Kausap din natin si Secretary Vince Dizon dahil may mga clearing requirements din dahil dito sa hindi lamang itong buwan, kundi pati nung Tino. So, yun, tuloy-tuloy ang ating pakikipagtulungan para ma-address itong pinsala ng dalawang bagyo.
Since sa TWG, may pinupuan yung mga specific request ng mga ICI members po.
Nabanggit ko na kanina, no? Yung power to cite in contempt, the power of sequestration, the power of freezing assets, going into bank records. Lahat yan kasi wala sa ngayon. So, basta subject to existing laws, we would like to give them as much power and authority as we could. So maraming mga dagdag na kapangyarihan at mga powers na gusto natin ibigay sa IPC, Independent People Commission.
Sorry, late ako. Yung pong ITC